Isa ka bang pickup truck enthusiast na naghahanap ng bigger, tougher at stronger na unit na swak for your adventures? O di kaya na may isang negosyanteng nais bumili ng sasakyang perfect para sa iyong business? Baka ang all-new Mitsubishi Triton na ang para sa iyo.
This new pickup was great design and great powertrain and great drive comfortability. So especially design, recently we got some design award in Germany. Actually, this is, you could see, this is a very robust, masculine, tougher design compared with previous Strata. This is all come from the voice from the customer, so we build up from scratch. And as well as design, we develop new chassis, powertrain, engine, transmission, and all suspension, everything brand new. I hope you enjoy this all-new Triton.
Bukod sa bagong disenyo, ipinagmamalaki rin ng Mitsubishi Triton ang bago nitong chassis at suspension at high-power engine.
Sa outside features pa lang, mas bigger, mas bolder, mas wider, lahat ng specifications ng pickup natin para makasabay tayo dun sa segment ng pickup. Which is ang pickup ngayon is very, yan ang pinaka-hinahanap ngayon ng market. So, with our all-new Triton, lahat ng mga kailangan natin na features para dun sa market ng pickup enthusiast, andito na lahat.
Impressive din ang 360 camera nito, kaya't sigurado ang advanced safety. Hindi na rin kailangan maging worry ang pagkalobat ng gadgets while hitting the road dahil mayroon itong wireless charging dock. At mapa-plain o challenging terrain man, garantisado ang comfortable ride. Kung nais niyong masubukan ng iba't ibang variant ng all-new Mitsubishi Triton kagaya ng Athlete at GLS, maaaring bumisita sa 3-day tour at test drive na handog ng Laos Group of Companies sa SM City, Pampanga hanggang Linggo, March 24.
So for those who will be visiting and doing test drives, we have a lot of perks for them. So we invite everyone to please visit us here in SM Pampanga. So Carworld will be here, and as well as Mitsubishi executives will be here also.
11 years nang humahawak ng manibela si AJ Pabustan. At matapos masubukan ang key features na handog ng Triton, ito na umano ang kanyang #1 choice sa pagbili ng pickup truck.
Yung pina-demonstrate sa amin yung ABS niya, no? Ang galing kahit ang bilis-bilis mo, sudden brake, short distance, may stop niya yung car, kaya very safe siya para sa mga drivers. Yeah, so far, no, yung sa mga iba kong na-test drive na pickup, parang naglilin ako towards sa Triton. So kung I'm in the market, I will definitely consider it.
Maging ang kapampangang TikTok star na si Erica Pineda, hindi pinalampas ang pagkakataon na ma-experience ang Triton. Samantala, mayroon namang exciting after-sales service at support na ino-offer ang Carworld ng Laos Group of Companies para sa kanilang customers. Kaya naman, pinuri ni Hara ang kumpanya dahil sa kanilang commendable customer service.
To say LausGroup Group is one of the best group, not only for the automobile actually, but together with LausGroup Group and Carworld, actually we got so many great operations. So for new customers and the service, I'm very keen on the customer-oriented operation. Customer satisfaction is the #1 priority. So Paul Rouse and Alfie Mero and all management of Carworld completely understand our goal. We are the same team, and as a new same family, we try to get more satisfaction. And our goal is to increase our Mitsubishi loyal customer more. So together with LausGroup Group and then Carworld, we try to continue the great business. From now on, we keep introducing a brand new model every year. Triton, 5-seater, 7-seater will come up. Together with LausGroup Group, I am very confident to run the great business together.
Kaya mga kabalen, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Go beyond the limit!
We're all inviting you po para mag-attend po dito sa aming 3-day event ng Mitsubishi Triton, Go Beyond Limit Store. Tara, let's kabalen! Meron po tayong mga test drive units na pwede nyo pong ma-try para masubukan nyo po yung riding comfort, power at saka safety ng po sakyan. Hanggang ano po kami dito, hanggang March 24. So from Friday to Sunday po tayo. So please come and visit us para po matry nyo po yung kakaibang ganda po ng Triton po ngayon.
Liana Canilao, CLTV 36 News.